Hey y'all, we're going to be mounting some tires. I just want to show you guys how this machine works. It is a Ditto XXL, manufactured in Italy. We imported this ourselves so that we can provide a service to our community and to our customers. We ship nationwide, and everything in here we imported ourselves. Let's get started on this tire. Always add the lubrication on it. It's a very important part. I'm putting this tire on there. And that's it. It don't take very long to get it done with this machine. I got one down, 999 more to go. Y'all come see us in Sylvester.